Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to use LogixPro software and will show you how to implement and organ gates. So let's start with and gate first. Keeping in mind the truth table of and gate, we will place the gates. For that, place 2 XIC gates in series. Place them in 4 different rows or rungs. From I/O simulator, turn these specific switches off to get results. When all placement is done, go online and then click Download to PLC or just Download. Now run the ladder diagram to get outputs. Observe outputs and match them with truth table of and gate. Now let's jump to or gate. Now insert 4 rows and place 2 XIC gates in parallel in each row. Name them as shown in video, because we need to control them using I/O simulator. Turn those specific switches off to match the configuration for truth table. When everything is done, go online and download it to PLC. Running it will show you same results as of truth table of or gate. Please subscribe to this channel if you want more tutorials like this and give a huge thumbs up to this video.